Hello everyone, welcome to this video, where we'll take you step by step through the process of customizing your settings. Once you've gained access, locate and click on the cogwheel icon situated in the upper right corner of the page. Upon clicking, a range of functions will be displayed. Now let's direct our focus to the first one, General Settings. Clicking on this button will grant you access to various customization options. Let's explore some of them. In the first line, you can switch the language from English to other options, such as French. Additionally, you have the ability to modify the font for database sentences. As you scroll down, you'll find options for utilizing the touch interface, where you can select your preferred keyboard type. Further down, you can choose how to sort patient names, either by their first name or last name, along with various other preferences such as the date format. You can opt for the standard Windows setting or select an alternative format. Moving on, we are presented with the option to select the style of this application, such as the orange theme or the dark theme, and we can also decide whether we want to see or hide the Windows taskbar. Regarding the program's audible voices during an X-ray scanning, they can be customized in terms of their accent and are connected to the standard voices of Windows. This means you can add new voices or disable existing ones according to your preferences. Lastly, we have the word processing feature, where your scans will be processed. You also have the option to replace the default processor with other alternatives like OpenOffice. If you have any question along the way, feel free to ask.